Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to avoid some additional charges. Moreover, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account currently added to the device. If you do not have one, no worries. We've got the tutorial which will show you how to do it, or you can do it after entering the Play Store. It's up to you. Alright, so let's enter the Play Store. Let me go back because this is what you will see after entering the Play Store. And now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. So here we've got the list of currently installed apps. Let's tap on Updates Available, and now we can check which apps can be updated. So all you have to do is to mark the updates you'd like to download. Of course, you can mark all of them if you want to. If not, just choose specific apps just by marking. And then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.